everyone, my name is Nita Puspayani. On this precious occasion, I'm going to tell you about the strategy to teach speaking. But before that, you have to know the speaking skill is really important for students to create a good communication. Through the speaking skill, the student will increase their confidence in their society, in their relationship with each other, and also it will help the student to improve their quality. A good quality of student speaking skill will help them to gain a good future in their life. So from those reasons, in this video, let me to tell you about two strategies that are appropriate to teach speaking in the class. For example, we can teach descriptive for speaking. The first strategy that we can use is applying a role play through a fairy tale. Will be one of appropriate strategy to teach speaking for students in the junior high school. And this is how to do. You can provide some interesting stories in the form of picture like this, and this. And after that, you give those different stories in the form of lottery to the student and divide the student into a group of 4 until 6 or more. It depends on the story that they have been obtained. And from this, we can see that this will be an interesting way to engage students' attention to learn more about speaking. And we as a teacher, don't forget to give them time to determine the roles that they will play in the story and practice the story before they come in front of the class. And after they have discussed, they can come in front of the class to perform and describe the story that they have been obtained. We can do this by make a lottery which group comes first to perform the story. And don't forget to give them time. I think 7 minutes is enough to perform the story and also describe the story in a short way. And for the group who has been performed, they can get a privilege to choose the next group who will perform the story. This situation will be challenging for students to encourage their ability, especially in their speaking ability. So from the other strategy, as the second strategy is we can apply modeling through an interesting film like this, and this. And this will be an effective strategy to teach speaking for students in the senior high school because it is in the form of interesting way. And this is how to do. We can divide the student into a pair and ask the student to watch the video and make an improvisation about the story. And it has a function to students to build their creative thinking, critical thinking, and imagination. And indirectly, we give the student a chance to practice and improve their speaking skill. So after we give the student time to discuss, they can come in front of the class to do a reporting or speak up and describe the film based on their understanding. So the student can do that alternately with their partner for 3 minutes for each pair, while the other pair will do comment, suggestion, or opinion for their friend's performance. So from those activities, I think it's worth it or suitable for students to improve their speaking skill because will help the student to increase their pronunciation, their intonation, their fluency in speaking. And those I have explained before, it's worth it to use inside of the class as a strategy to teach speaking. And in the future, I really want that my students can speak in English very well because, as you know, nowadays speaking skill is really important aspect in this world. And so because of the speaking skill, the student will get a good future. So I think it's all about my explanation about strategy to teach speaking. And thank you for your nice attention. And bye bye everyone.